Hello dear traders, welcome to ИнстаФорекс TV channel. You are watching the weekly link up with me, Tahmina Salomova. In this edition, we are going to discuss recent developments of some major currency pairs. Besides, technical analyst Petar Yakimovic will help us forecast further dynamics of the popular trading instruments. This week, trading sentiment on the euro-dollar pair has been shaped by expectations for the US non-farm payrolls report that is due on Friday. Most market players share the viewpoint that solid data on the US employment and wages could assure the US Federal Reserve that the economy is ready for an increase of the funds rate. So, the euro-dollar pair is trading under pressure. Next week, the European Central Bank will hold a meeting on September 8 that will trigger big market moves. The regulator is widely expected to keep monetary policy unchanged. Hi Petar, what change do you foresee in the most popular currency pair next week?
Hello dear traders. I'm expecting a downward price on the EURUSD. I found the supply in a high volume, and also according to the 4-hour time frame, I found two down fractals in the past few days. So I found a down fractal at 1.1155, and I found the most recent fractal 1.1119. So the price already filled the first one at 1.1155, and the price is about to fill also 1.1119 and confirm also further downward price. The trend is again downward, and I don't expect any bigger demand on the USD because probably investors, the smart money, they're awaiting the ECB meeting. I think September 8th. This will be the critical day for the further euro, for the investors in the euro currency pair. But until then, my advice to watch for selling opportunities. The first take profit level is at the price of 1.1040, and the second take profit level is set at 1.0960. Again, due to the breakout of the fractal, due to the strong supply in a high volume in a downtrend, my advice to watch for selling opportunities on the pullbacks.
The pound-dollar pair is the one which has been showing an amazing dynamic. Despite negative forecasts and post-Brexit fears, a series of recent macroeconomic data has provided strength of the UK's economy. As a result, the pound sterling can resist the US dollar stubbornly. Do you think the British pound will be able to win favor with buyers for long?
GBP USD is very interesting because we got Brexit in the background, and this is still active trade, and also we got most recently the manufacturing PMI, which came like 53.3 versus the 49.1 expected, and this was a very good sign for also investors, for some hedge fund traders to start to buy the pound because they see the strong growth in the United Kingdom, and this is a very good sign, and the price reacted very strongly. So we got like 120-30 pips upward price after that release. Again, manufacturer PMI came 53.3, so we got expansion there since the reading above 50 indicates the expansion. So according to the daily time frame, I found the up fractal, and that up fractal according to the daily time frame is basically set at 1.3278. So placing a buy stop at 1.3278, a pending order buy stop, is also a good choice with the targets 1.3370 or 1.3400 area. So these levels are also good for potential take profit. But if the price don't fill this up fractal 1.3278, we also got a down fractal 1.3058. So, for example, if something big happens and we see the lower price and the price going lower and break the 1.3058, this will be the down, the sell signal. But so far we are very close, and due to this very good manufacturing PMI, my advice to watch for buying opportunities, and if you want to buy, you can place a pending order, buy stop at the price 1.3278 and try to catch Again, 1.3370, 1.3400.
Nevertheless, now traders are opting for risky bets. They are selling off the safe haven Japanese yen, what traders are preferable for the dollar-year pair. Does it make sense to expect growing bullish sentiment on the US dollar?
I'm expecting an upward price on the US Japanese yen. I got strong buying positions and with my investors, and I also advise you to watch for buying opportunities in this currency pair. The key reason is basically the fundamental reason, and technicals of course confirm this view, because we got divergences between the two central banks. From one side, the Yellen, the governor of the Fed, she said that we got increasing possibility of hike rate in the incoming months, are also possible in September. So this big speech, which happened last Friday, basically caused strong demand for USD, and we got a lot of volatility on USD crosses. Okay, so this was one thing. So very strong speech from Yellen. From the other side, the Kuroda, basically in the last two speeches, he said that we may, the Bank of Japan, basically they won't hesitate for further easing, buying assets and so on, which will result of further weakening in the Japanese yen. So we got this divergence. Also, if we see the graphic, we can see that we got the up fractal, so the 4-hour time frame, the strong sign of the strength in the background after the Yellen speech. And I'm basically buying every up fractal, the breakout, and every buy fractal, since this fundamental is, as long as the fundamental remain the same, I will buy on the buy fractals on the 4-hour, 1-hour. So the most recent up fractal according to the 4-hour time frame is 103.52, and we filled this fractal basically, and I have positions also from earlier fractals. But the take profit, some key take profit levels for this currency pair set. First take profit 105.50 area, and some major resistance and major take profit level is 106.50. So pay attention on these levels for taking profits, and again, be very careful with selling. We got strong divergence in fundamental, and we got also price confirming this, and again, try to buy the dips and buy after some corrections.
Last but not least, let's speak about the USDCAD pair. What dynamics do you predict for the loonie?
I'm expecting the upward price on the USD Canadian dollar, similar like the USD Japanese yen. We also got strong fundamental divergence between the USD Canadian dollar. From one side, again, the USD is strong because of this Yellen speech, and very good, very strong signal for the investors to invest in dollar. But from the other side, if we observe the Canadian dollar is very related to the oil price, and the oil price is very, I don't see any bigger demand at this moment for the oil, and if there is no big demand on the oil and oil can only drop more, this signal, basically the Canadian dollar will also become weaker. So also we have this divergence fundamental, and the price confirming this. We got strong sign of strength in the background. The price is breaking the up fractal, so the 4-hour time frame and the 1-hour time frame. But the most recent up fractal I found 1.3145 level. So the buy stop at 1.3145 is also a good choice, and take profit levels at 1.3200, 1.3250. These levels are some first take profit levels.
Thank you, Peter, for your valuable trading recommendations. See you next Friday. You watched the weekly link up presented by ИнстаФорекс expert from Serbia, Petar Ikimovic, and me, Tahmina Salomova. Trade at a profit with ИнстаФорекс. Don't miss our next edition.